Ants can be sneaky little wrecking balls when it comes to your home, especially those carpenter ants. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 signs ants are causing structural damage to your home. You gotta watch out for before things get way worse. Number 1. Piles of sawdust or frass. If you see little piles of something that looks like sawdust near your baseboards or door frames, that's frass. Carpenter ants wood shavings from making nests. It's a dead giveaway they're tunneling into your wood. Don't just clean it up. Investigate where it's coming from. Number 2. Hollow sounds in wood. Tap on wooden surfaces and listen carefully. If it sounds hollow or empty, that means the ants have carved tunnels inside. That wood's losing strength and you don't want to wait on this. Early detection here can save you big repair costs later. Number 3. Rustling sounds in walls at night. When it's quiet, you might hear faint scratching or rustling from inside your walls. That's the ants moving around, working on their nests while you sleep. These noises are often the first hint of an unseen infestation. Number 4. Sagging floors or unstable structures. Notice floors dipping or doors sticking? Carpenter ants weaken beams and supports by tunneling through them, so these signs show serious damage is happening. If you see this, it's time to call in a professional. Number 5. Visible tunneling or holes. Sometimes you can spot smooth tunnels or holes in wood. Those are ant highways inside your structure. Mark them and get them checked before the damage spreads. Ignoring these can lead to costly structural failure. Number 6. Presence of winged ants. Seeing big winged ants flying around your windows means a mature colony's nearby ready to swarm and spread. This can quickly turn into multiple infestations if ignored. Blocking their entry points early is key. Number 7. Large black ants inside or around your home. Frequent sightings of big black ants usually mean an active carpenter ant infestation close by, especially if they keep coming back looking for food or nesting spots. Tracking their trails can help find the nest location. If any of this sounds familiar, don't wait. Head over to bighomeprojects.com to find trusted local pros who can help fix the damage and get rid of those ants for good.